Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Varul and you are watching Switch Case Learners. Now, I will show you how to install Java on your PCs. For this, first, you have to check whether Java is already installed on our PC or not. So, open the command prompt. Type Java version and press enter. Here you can see that Java version 17.0.1 is installed on my PC. Now I will show you if Java is not installed on your PC, then how to download it and install it. Open your browser. Search for Java download. You will see the official website of Oracle. Click on it. Here you can see that Java is available for Linux, macOS and Windows. We want to download it for Windows. We have to download this file, 64-bit installer. Just click on this link. And the download will start shortly. After successfully downloading the file, you can easily install it on your PC. Now, I will show you that how to run a Java program using the command prompt. Open the notepad or text editor of your PC. Write your code here. I will explain each and every line of this code in my upcoming videos. This is just to show you that how to run a Java program using the command prompt. This program will print Hello World on the output screen. Now, to compile and run this program, open the command prompt. I saved the file on desktop, so I have to change the directory to desktop. Now, to compile the Java code, write javac and file name with .java extension. Press enter. Here you can see that the .class file is created. This is a compiled file of our program, which is called bytecode. Now, this file can be executed on any machine. To execute this file, just write Java and the file name. Here, we do not have to mention the extension. Press enter. Here, you can see the output of our program, which is Hello World. Guys, there are so many IDEs are available in the market to make our programming experience better. So we use Eclipse IDE in our upcoming videos. In my next video, I will show you how to install Eclipse IDE on your PCs.